Runrig was a Scottish Celtic rock band formed on the Isle of Skye in 1973. From its inception, the band's lineup included songwriters Rory Macdonald and Calum Macdonald. The lineup during most of the 1980s and 1990s also included Donnie Munro, Malcolm Jones, Iain Bayne, and Pete Wishart. Munro left the band in 1997 to pursue a career in politics and was replaced by Bruce Guthro. Wishart left in 2001 and was replaced by Brian Hurren. The band released 14 studio albums, with a number of their songs sung in Scottish Gaelic. Initially formed as a three-piece dance band known as the Runrig Dance Band, the band played several low-key events and has previously cited a sale at Kelvin Hall, Glasgow as their first concert. Runrig's music is often described as a blend of folk and rock music, with the band's lyrics often focusing upon locations, history, politics, and people that are unique to Scotland. Songs also make references to agriculture, land conservation and religion. Since 1999, the band has gained attention in Canada, following Nova Scotian singer Bruce Guthro's entry to the band. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.